Today I bring you to Shelbyville, Indiana. Today's video is going to be a little different than most of the videos I do because we got nowhere to park to do this video. It's all private property. I guarantee they're going to call the cops. I want to be right above the law. I don't want to do anything wrong, but here's where I is. We are just down the road from the location we're going. We're in the middle of nowhere, obviously. But down the road is a place called the Electric Bridge. Now, I was going to do this justice because supposedly you can hold a fluorescent light up in the air and it will light up. Or you can hold it on the rails, it will light up. So what Angie's going to have to do is, let me get in the car, she's going to drop me off and she's going to go all the way to the other side of the bridge and I'm going to walk across the bridge and we're going to try to do this video halfway justice. Oh, I don't like doing videos like this. I like to get everything to it. So I'm going to tell you some things after I do it. And we're going to talk about while I'm doing it. But I will not be able to do the light bulb test because we just ain't got the time. We can't stop in the middle of the bridge because it is a road, even though there ain't much traffic. But you know. Let's get started. Okay, guys, I am at the foot of the bridge. I'm going to turn the camera around. We'll probably do most of the footage it off me. The bridge has a lot of graffiti on it, but this bridge right here is electrified. That means when you touch the railings like this, it's supposed to feel a little electricity. I'm not feeling none right now. And the reason it's electrified because you got power lines right yonder there. Now the story goes, well, we'll tell the story when I get back to the car, guys. But yeah, you know what's funny? Oh, right here's the pentagram, yeah. I watched other YouTube videos about this. This was supposedly a pentagram at one time. And this had more graffiti on it then too. Yeah, we do a lot of talking, but let's get right here to the middle and see if I feel any static. Oh, shit. Sorry about the language, yes. Oh, yeah. I just got shocked. Now down here at this little creek area, there's going to be some talk about that too. But yeah, this bridge right here gets visited, if that's even a word, by a lot of people. And the reason it's electrified because you got the power lines here. The bridge was put in 1974. The power lines was put in 1980. And you got a lot of YouTubers coming out here. Lots of YouTubers doing what I'm doing now. But listen. Can you hear it? You can hear the power lines right now. We're going to touch it again. Okay, if it was dark time, you'll probably see the blue electricity. Woo! Oh, yeah. I'm getting shocked. Oh, yeah. It's all electrified. I wish I did bring my light, but you probably wouldn't be able to see it lit up. But yeah. This bridge right here has a lot of tails to it. A lot of tails. Alright guys, let's get to the car because where Angie's parked, she could be in trouble. On the way here, we stopped at the gas station and just by conversation, I said, yeah, you ever hear of the electric bridge? So he's like, yes. But the problem is, the locals there have changed things. You cannot pull over anywhere to get it. You do, you're busting trouble. And some of these driveways, it's got cameras and it's 24-hour surveillance. So, yeah, let's talk about the electric bridge while we go turn around down the road. Hi, Bubby. Daddy's okay. Guess what? What? It shocks you. Yes. I have actually had bigger shocks touching a door handle at home. Okay. Here's some of the tall tales, the urban legends of this bridge. One of them is there's a troll that lives underneath the bridge, and the reason it's electrified is to keep people away. Now, you know that's not it, obviously. It's the power lines going over that was put in the 80s. The other little thing I want to tell you real quick is, they say if you urinate on it, it'll fry your insides. No, guys. Actually, I watched a YouTuber that says, no, that's not happening. So evidently the YouTuber I watched did urinate on it. A lot of these videos that I watched on YouTube about the bridge was done 4 and 5 years ago. They have and then they was able to park in the grass. Not now. No. Another urban legend is if you want to prevent pregnancy, walk across the bridge. Obviously, no. That bridge actually had the national news on it twice. It had a little bit of everybody visit this bridge, and from what I gather, the bridge, yeah, that's our GPS, because we're in the middle of nowhere. We're miles from home. Well, we're 100 miles from home, guys. Yeah, I drove 100 miles. Well, actually, today's Angie's day to drive. We drove 100 miles to go to this bridge, and I had to do the video like this. I'm not upset because I did get some type of video.
In half a mile.
Now, a lot of high schoolers would like to come out here and take their girlfriends, get them all creeped out because there's a road. I was going to take you down another road because it's called Werewolf Hollow. Yeah, there's supposed to be werewolves 9 feet, 10 feet tall, and all kinds of apparitions on this road. Then they take them over to the bridge like, there's a troll here. You know, something they do in high school. So that thing probably still happens today. And by the way, Werewolf Hollow, the road's closed. I could not take you there today. I am pretty upset with myself after driving 100 miles to get here for this bridge, and we had to do it like this. I did not realize, we thought there was a place to pull off, because in the videos we watched, there was a place. They changed did you notice that 2-inch? They changed the hill. They made the hills all go down where you can't pull off. It wasn't 4 years ago. So guys, I did not do this video justice, but look it up on the internet. Electric Bridge, Shelbyville, Indiana. Now we're on to another location I can do. That's right, since we're, I think 27 miles from, it's on the way back home. I'm getting another location I tried to get last week, but it did not work out. Alright guys, till next time, leave your comments down below. And sorry about the video today. I tried to do it justice. I did it the best I could. Come on, let's get out of here. That was the electric bridge, and I did get a little bit of a charge. Yeah, I did. I just wish I was able to get the lights out. But you know, I got to think as much sun's out, you wouldn't see a light up anyway.
True.
Alright, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here.